Jai Hind children, welcome in your revision class, maths revision class. In this class, we will do the revision of algebraic expression. I will start with the revision and then I will give you the question answers. It is a set of some questions. Options are also given. You have to solve and you have to take the appropriate answer. You have to write down in the chat box also, as well as on a paper also, that question number 1, this option, the particular answer you have to write. Okay, and write down the whole so that you can match your perfect answer. Children, in algebraic expression, the very first thing is that we have started with like term and unlike term, what are constant and variables. These all are the basics, children, we are doing in the school also, in the class. Now, if you are having like terms, then only you can add or subtract. Like for example, if an algebraic expression 3x square y and another is 3xy, so these two are two algebraic expressions, you can't add them, children. Both were having the same variable x and y, but their power is not same. Their power is not same. X is in the square and here x is only 1, it's not square. So we can't add as well as we can't subtract. But if it comes to multiplication, then we can do it, children. How you can do it? You just multiply them, multiply number with number, 3 into 3, then see the variable x square will multiply with x, and then y will multiply with this y. Okay, so 3 3s are 9, x square into x will become x to the power 3. Base is same, and if you are multiplying, power will be added. Same here, base is same, that is y, and power will be added. 1 plus 1, that is 2. 2 will be the answer. So children, if the like if we are doing addition and subtraction, then we have to focus on like terms. Otherwise, for multiplication, you can do it. Now, sometimes the value of variable is also given. For example, if in the question it is written, find the product of these two, find the product, and then put the value of x and y and find out its answer. What is the answer? What is the value? So, for example, if the value of x in this question, if the value of x is 1 and the value of y is 2. In this question, if the value of x is 1 and the value of y is 2, then what will be the answer? What will be the answer? So 9 will remains 9. Instead of x, we will write its value. X is equal to 1. After solving, we will write x is equal to 1 to the power 3. Okay, into what is y? Y is 2. So in place of y, we will write 2. Write down 2 to the power 2. So this is 9 into 1 to the power 3 is 1, into 2 to the power 2 is 4. So 9 4s are 36. 9 4s are 36. In this way, we can solve this question. Let me take some examples and then I will start the question answer section. So now you are well aware of how to solve the addition and subtraction. Sometimes in subtraction, the expression is given in this way, like subtract 3xy minus 4x square from 4x minus 2y square plus 3x square. Okay, we have to subtract this from that number, from that expression. So that we will write it first. From this we are going to subtract, so we will write it first. This is 4x minus 2y square plus 3x square. From this expression, subtract this. So put the subtraction sign. Then always begin with a bracket. Okay, always keep the particular expression which has to be subtracted in a bracket, children. So this is 3xy minus 4x square. 3xy minus 4x square. Now we will start opening the bracket. So till here it's same all. Now minus is there, so minus plus will become minus. If before bracket minus sign is there, all the sign will get changed. Inside all whatever the terms are there, all the signs get changed. So this is positive, now this will become negative. Minus 3xy. Minus minus will become plus. See, it's minus, now it is plus. 4x square. So bracket is open. Now let's see whether we can do addition or subtraction or not. And you are well aware of the things that if you will have like terms, then only you can add or you can subtract. So let's take a look. 4x. Is there any x? It's x, but it is not simple x. It is x square. So we will not write it as like term. We can't add it with this. X along with y. No, we can't take x square. Yes. No, there is no x alone. So we will not write. Now next, minus 2y square. Let's find out, is there any y square? No, children. Then plus 3x square. Is there any x square, children? It is not. Yes, it is having. So plus 4x square. Plus 4x square. And at last this can be written as minus 3xy. Now this will not be subtracted with each other because these are unlike term, but these two will get added. Both were having plus sign, so these two will get added. Plus 3 plus 4 will become plus 7x square. Plus 7x square, and then at last minus 3xy. This will be the solution after subtracting 3xy minus 4x square from the given expression. It's a trinomial. 3 terms are there. This is binomial. 2 terms are there. This is one term. This is another term. So in this way we can solve such questions. Like let's take one example, one more example for multiplication. Okay, for multiplication 6D is not in your syllabus, children. 6D is not in your syllabus. Now some simplifications are there, some products are there. So I am choosing the product, addition, subtraction, and now the next one is product. Monomial with binomial. Multiplication of monomial with binomial. This product is in your syllabus. So now find the product of this and then evaluate the value for x is equal to 2. So we were having 3x plus 2 into 8x minus 3 minus 2 into 2x plus 3. Okay, this we are having. Now so we have to find out the product. We have to simplify it and then we will put the value of x as 2 and finally we will solve it. Okay, so 3x. Now we will focus on the bracket. Here it's one bracket and another bracket, so we will multiply this one. Okay, plus 2, the out one. 2 will multiply with it. 8 to just 16x, and plus minus will become minus. 2 will multiply with 3. 2 3 just 6. Then again minus plus will become minus. 2 will multiply with 2. 2 2 just 4x. Again 2 will multiply with 3, but minus plus, first of all write down the sign. Minus plus is minus. 2 3 just 6. So all the bracket is now open. Now what we will do? We will multiply. We will collect the like terms side by side and then we will do addition or subtraction. So 3x plus 16x and one more x is there, that is minus 4x. So write it side by side. Then minus 6 and minus 6, constant terms side by side. Now 3 plus 16, it's 19. 19 minus 4, it's 15. So 15x. Okay, 16 and 3 plus 16, 19, and 19 minus 4 is 15x. And minus 6 minus 6, it will become minus 12. Both were having the same sign, so we will add them. 12 will come and we will put their sign. The sign is negative, so put the sign as negative. So this is the answer. Okay, so you have to multiply, you have to simplify. Here we are simplifying, children, actually. So simplify and then substitute the value of x as 2. Now when x is equal to 2, So in place of x we will write 2. In place of x we will write 2. So we will write 2, then minus 12. 15 2s are 30 minus 12. Now when you will subtract it, your answer will be 18. This will be the answer. Answer is 18. Okay. So what we have done till now? We have completed the beginning part, you can say. Okay, and this is all about in this chapter. You have to do addition, you have to do subtraction, you have to do multiplication, as well as you have to substitute the value, whether one variable is there or more than one variable. You have to substitute the value and then finally you have to solve it. Okay, same such questions I have prepared it for you. So now be ready with your rough notebook, children. One by one I will give you the question. You will start writing it. You will solve it first. You will solve it in your rough notebook, and then question number 1, this is the answer. So in a separate page write down question sequence, question number 1, 2, 3, 4, and then once you will solve it, you can write it in the chat box also, and you can write it at that place also. So quickly be ready with your rough notebook. Okay. Now let's see to the screen. Let's see the questions, children. This is the first question. You can see it on the screen. Let me maximize this for you. Okay. This is from algebraic expression. Question number 1. Okay. This is question number 1. Now what you have to do? The value of, this is question number 1, children. The value of minus 5x square y into minus 2 by 3 xy squared z into 8 by 15 xyz square into minus 1 by 4 z is. What is the answer, children? You can see the vertical bars are there. So ignore it, children. Okay, this is because of the copy paste. So ignore it. This vertical bars, please ignore it, children. In the answer also these vertical bars are there. So ignore it. Just multiply the algebraic expression. It's only the algebraic expression. What will be the answer? Is it A, B, C or D? Okay. It will take few seconds. So do it. And write down in the chat box. I am waiting for your answer, children. What will be the answer? Is it A, 4 by 9 x to the power 4, y to the power 4 or z to the power 4? How many x are there? You can see it very easily. How many y's are there? Okay, z also. So what will be the answer? Is it in negative or in positive? Okay, I hope you all have done. You are simplifying. Some of you are still doing, children. Although this question is good, but it will take time. Yes, of course it will take time. Now let's move to the next question, but before going to the next question, I suggest you to write the question number on a separate page and its respective answer, A, B, C or D. Like question number 1, A, and this answer is correct, or question number 1, B, this answer is correct. In that way, write down separately. On one page you are doing the rough work, and on a separate page write down the sequence of questions along with the answer. Now next, second question. Simplify this. Simplify this, children. This is an algebraic expression and you are subtracting it. Ignore the vertical bar. In the last vertical bar is given, na, ignore it, children. It's nothing, children. A cube minus 2a square plus 4a minus 5. Then you are subtracting minus a cube minus 8a plus a2a square plus 5 with it. So what will be the answer? Okay, 2a cube. Everywhere 2a cube is there. Now it's a time for a square. What will be a square, children? Then it comes a. 4a plus 8. Plus or minus? You have to do this. Okay, now let's move to the next question. Question number 3. If L is equal to minus 1 and M is equal to 2, then the value of 4L square plus 9M square plus 2LM minus 9L square M is. What will be the answer? Come on. L is equal to minus 1. Ignore the vertical bars, children. It's minus 1 only. L is equal to minus 1 and M is equal to 2. So the answer is A 39, B 24, C 18 or D 36. What will be the answer? Okay, I hope you all are doing it. Answer it, children. You all whosoever is doing the questions, just write down it in the chat box whatever your answer is. Is it A, B, C, D, what? Question number 3. Now let's move to the next question. It's question number 4. Question number 4. Subtract 2a minus 3b plus 4c from the sum of a plus 3b minus 4c, 4a minus b plus 9c and minus 2b plus 3c minus a. Subtract this from the sum of these three. Okay, we have done already such type of questions already we have done in the class revision. So do it, children, do it fast. Okay, write down the question number along with the option and your name also. Next question, question number 5. This is question number 5. X is equal to minus 2, y is equal to 3, z is equal to 1. Okay, three variables are there. So what will be the value of this expression? X cube plus y cube plus z cube minus 3xyz. What will be the answer, children? Substitute the value of x, y, z. And then ignore the bar, children. Vertical line को ignore कीजिए. 38 है वो, 381 नहीं है. A is 38, B is 37, C is minus 37 and D is minus 38. Okay, many of you are giving the correct answer. Let's move to the next question. Question number 6. In a school, 8a square plus 4a plus 9 students were enrolled. Means this much of children were there. 2a square minus 9a plus 2 students were boys. Okay, out of the whole strength, this one is the strength of boys. So how many girls were enrolled? What you will do? You will subtract the number of boys. You will subtract the number of boys from the total strength. Total students who were enrolled in the school. So quickly write down the answer. The vertical bar is not there in the solution also. It's only plus 7 at the end. Only plus 7. It's not 71. Next, children, next question. Question number 7. Find the value of. And here you have to multiply After multiplying, you have to substitute the value of x as 5 and y as 13. 4xy in a bracket x minus y. Then minus 6x square in a bracket y minus y square. Then minus 3y square. 2x square minus x. This is in bracket, so you have to multiply it with the value which is outside the bracket. Now plus 2xy will multiply with x minus y. After calculating it, after multiplying, then write it side by side like terms, add and subtract, and then x is equal to 5, y is equal to 13. You have to put it in the answer. Then the number will come. Okay, then the number will come. Now this is question number 7. So now let's move to question number 8. I hope you all have done, children, or should I wait? I can wait also, because it's not it will take time. It will take time, children. You are not big enough, so you will take time, but do it with accuracy. Solve the questions with accuracy. Now, I hope you all have done. So, see the next question. What is this? If A is this expression, B is this expression, and C is this expression, then you have to find the value of A plus B minus C. Okay, write down A as 10w cube plus 20w square minus 55w plus 60. And then B is equal to minus 25w square plus 15w minus 10. And C is 5w square minus 10w plus 20. Children, you have to add all. Come on, children. Solve it. Write down A plus B plus C all. And then the answer will be there. Yes, you all are writing. You can match your answer, children, after the class is over. Not class is over, when I will upload it on the school app, then only you are able to see the answer. Now, what is the answer? Is it A, is it B, is it C, or none of these? You have to see it in a very accurate way. Maybe your answer will not match, and then you will write none of this. So see before clicking on any option, before writing any answer, that this answer is correct. See it very seriously. Now next is question number 9. This one, children. By how much is a to the power 4 plus 4a square b square plus b to the power 4 more than a to the power 4 minus 8a square b square plus 66 b to the power 4. Last one is b to the power 4. What will be the answer? And there is no vertical bars, children. Ignore these. More से पहले जो लगा है, and before the question mark, and after all the options, one vertical bar is there, na? So ignore it, children. It was cursor earlier. It is, we have to ignore it. Tell me the answer. Tell me the answer, children. All of you, I need participation from all the children. Okay, now let's see the last question. It's last one. After that, there is no more question. So an expression is taken away an expression is taken away from 3x square minus 4y square plus 5xy plus 20 to obtain x minus x square minus y square plus 6xy plus 20. So an expression is taken away from this one and you have to obtain minus x square minus y square plus 6xy and plus 20. So what is that expression which is taken away, so that you will obtain the next expression? So write down, children, solve it quickly. Solve it quickly, children. Those who are not participating, write down at least last answer. What is question number 4? Okay, A, B, C, D. Question number 10. Question number 10. What will be the answer? Let's check. Let's check it from the beginning. Check it from the beginning, children. This is the first question. You can match your question as well as option number along with the answer. Question number 1. This you have to multiply. What is the answer? A, B, C, D. What is the answer? If it is A, write down A and then the respective answer. Minus 4 by 9, x to the power 4, y to the power 4, z to the power 4. In this way, just mark it in your separate notebook or on a separate page. Mark it, children. From 1 to 10 you have to write down. Then only you are able to see whether your answer is correct or not. Okay. Okay. Now next one. See, if you have missed this, see the next question. You have to simplify this expression from the given expression and then what will be the answer? What will be the answer, children? This you have to take. I hope you all have done question number 2 and respective answer. This is 3 question, third question, and if you have solved it, then write down the question number, its correct option with the correct value. This was question number 4. Next, children, question number 5. If you will write it, then you are able to see it correctly also. After this class, when the class will get over, you can match it whether you have written it the correct one or not. Isn't it? That's why I am showing you the questions again, and you can see the question as well as you can put the correct answer right in your mark it in your rough notebook somewhere, okay, somewhere in either in rough notebook or somewhere on the diary. Write down all the questions along with the answer. See this question, 6th question. It's unique one, but it's relating. Here we have used algebraic expression. What should be added? What should be the students number of girl students? So enrolled minus boys, number of boys. This will give you the answer. 7th is only you have to open the bracket and then you will substitute the value of x and y. Same in question number 8. Here A, B, C, some expressions were given, some expressions were assigned to them, and now you have to find out the value of a plus b minus c. A plus b minus c. And then 9th question, children. How much is this more than this expression? How much is a to the power 4 plus 4a square b square plus b to the power 4 is more than this. Is more than this. कितना ज़्यादा है ये? Now last 10th question. What an expression is taken away from this to obtain this? What is that expression? So frame it. If you have not done, frame the question in your mind. What will be the related solution of that, and then put it. I hope you all have written 1 to 10 question answers. Not question answers, questions as well as the option number on option answer. Okay. Children, I hope these questions are clear to you. Maybe some of the levels were high, maybe, but what I feel that it is for you children. It is all of your level. Try to solve the question. Some of you may feel it easy, some of you may feel it that which type of question it is, but it is totally concept based question picked from your book. Okay, concept is picked from your book of your level. Questions were different, obviously questions were different, so we will try our best. We will solve it in the exam also. Okay, so if you have done any mistake, do not repeat it in the exam. Till then, take care, and in the next class we will do one more chapter revision. Okay, till then children, take care.